Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. I am today in Nottingham. The weather is absolutely very beautiful day here in Nottingham. My video today will not be a long video process. I'm just gonna capture few video in Nottingham to be able to show you guys how the weather is looking today in Nottingham. So for you guys to have clue what is going on, so I'm just gonna walk down to the outside the train station. From here, probably we are going to go towards there. There's a place I want to go and check new camera, which is made by DJ Action Camera. The new camera they did, so I don't know how long, if the place is open today or it's not open today, but let's walk down from here. We're gonna walk towards that side there and be able to see what is really going on today. The weather is warm. It's not the weather I just want to waste like that. I think problem you're not be able to see this weather again if you don't make use of it. So you can come through this place. You have a lift who can take you down here. I don't even know if the lift work. You have a lift who can take you down. I have never used it before. Let's use it and see what really happened here. Let's use the lift. This is my first time to use it. Let's see if the lift can take us down. You got the glass this thing here who also walk. So the lift will take you from here to the ground floor. It's just maybe something like 1 second there anyway. It doesn't take long. Then it will open. So when it opens, it comes out from here. It comes out from here, then you can be able to continue your journey towards this way.
Yes, boss. You're doing the vlog.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. What are you doing? How's your name?
I'm Chooks.
You're Chooks. My name's Malachi.
Malachi. So where are you from?
I'm from London.
All right. Yeah, so what are you doing here?
I moved up here in it like almost a year ago. Obviously, I used to live in a care home, but now I live by myself in it, in Meadows.
All right.
But no, I just keep myself to myself and make music in it. I thought I'd say.
Oh, you make music?
I make music, yeah.
What type of music you make?
I make like R&B, like Juice WRLD kind of music.
Yeah,
and
yeah. So where originally are you from?
I'm from Peckham. You know where?
Peckham, yeah, in London,
Peckham is, That's
yeah.
where I'm from.
All right.
Where are you from?
I'm Nigerian.
Nigerian, yeah. I can tell. Boss.
I can tell.
I can tell. Thank you. You have a nice day.
All right. Take care. All right. Okay, guys. Let me just go to this place. If I can be able to get myself DJ Action Camera. I think there's a new one who just come out not long ago. Remember, the weather is quite very good today, but also a lot of people are probably have the opportunity to be able to enjoy themselves, go out for a drink. It's not something they usually do most of the time. They just want to enjoy the weather being the way it is. It's not something you will be able to get all the time, the weather being like this. It's quite something I don't really want to be able to blog today, just to make a blog where the video will be too long. I didn't want to do that. I just want to be able to shoot a video which is show you guys a little bit of Nottingham, what most of the people are doing today. People are just hanging around, trying to be able to spend their time with their family as well. So let's go up there. This is Nottingham train station in my front. The place I'm going is on my front there. I hope they open. If they don't open today, probably if they didn't open today, let's see if they did open today, then we use the opportunity to be able to see if we can be able to show you other things going on today. Inside the city of Nottingham, quite a beautiful day. The weather is shining badly. I'm going up there. I hope they open. I hope they open. Wow. Really? You know, they don't open on Sundays. This is where I was trying to go, you know. This is the only place you can be able to find if they are selling the camera or not here, you know. But they don't open today, being Sunday, which is not good. So, you can still hang around along this place to be able to get, sorry, you can hang around this side to get yourself a drink. So we might go to Canal Pub, you know, where we can get ourselves a drink coming inside Nottingham. There's not much to do. We just want to come out a little bit, spend our time, you know. Let's see if we can go to Canal Pub, get ourselves a drink. From there, we might think about something else to do. I was thinking that there would be like a football going on today, but there's no football going on today. So if you look around these places, they are not busy day around here. Some people are inside the inside here. I think they're just having a coffee as well. You know, people who like to drink coffee. For us, we like to drink beer. You know, for us, we like to drink beer. So let's just go and get ourselves a drink. You know, it's quite the best thing to do. Get ourselves a drink and see what really happened today. I think so. Let's get ourselves a drink. You know, it's quite busy, different. Just check out here. How many people are here? I have not been to this place, this pub here. I think I have not been to this one. It looks like really, really busy today here. You know, the difference is that the weather is quite beautiful today. The weather is good. So let me see if I can get myself a glass of beer. Wow. Welcome back to my channel. So something different, you know. If you look inside here, you will see that there's quite a lot of people here, you know, being on Saturday. No, today is Sunday, but the difference is that a lot of people like to come out on Sunday by this time. All right. Yeah.
£4.80, please, mate. You're all good?
All right.
Thank you very much.
All right. Well, it's busy here today, isn't it?
Yeah. We've just had the marathon, haven't we?
Oh yeah. Okay, I saw that online. They were talking about what is it called again?
The Robin Hood Marathon.
Yeah, Robin Hood Marathon. I think. Yeah.
It's going to be a busy one.
Yeah. All right. Okay, let me go and get some fresh air. Yeah. Oh, I remember the guy saying that is They were marathon today. I think that is why. Probably it's gonna rain anyway. Oh. Okay, guys, welcome back. Okay. I would like to sit a place which will look a little bit very, very, very quiet for me, you know. But remember, the weather today is quite very good. You know, the weather is quite very good. So a lot of people you see here, they were Nottingham Marathon. They were Nottingham Marathon today, which is Robin Hood anyway. They did a lot of marathon today on the Robin Hood anyway. So I think what really happened, so a lot of people use that opportunity to come out to support their families or whoever want to do the marathon. So, and this is what is going on. This is why you have a lot of people as well inside the canal pub. If you look around the canal pub here, you will find out that it's quite busy. It's quite really, really busy. People are here. I know I'm shooting this on night mode. The only reason why I'm shooting it on night mode is just to get a little bit quality video with it, you know, so the video will look a little bit okay. The video will look a little bit okay, you know. I'm not gonna make the video quite long, so I got myself a glass of cider. I got myself a glass of cider, but look at the area, you know. Nottingham Marathon. People just decided to come out and support their families. I think this is what happened. People decided to come out and support their family, you know. Hi. I'm doing a blog, you know, sorry.
That's fine, no, you're okay.
I'm trying to get in. Well, she was trying to get in the video.
Oh, you can come and sit with me then. Where are you guys from? Nottingham here.
Around here.
All right, good. Huh?
What about you?
I live in Nottingham anyway. I live in Nottingham, but it's all right. I think what is going on today? It's quite a lot of people here today. Oh, Robin Hood Marathon, all right?
Yes, yeah, he ran it, he did it.
You did it? Do you want to talk to me a bit? Why you did it? Why?
No, I don't want
Eh? He just want no, you won't feel like either. I just want to know why you did it. Did you do it for cancer or anything? And why?
No, just decided to do it.
Okay.
For fun.
For fun. So how long did you last?
I did it in an hour and 15 minutes.
Did you? Well, I would ask you whether you win or not. You know, I think this is not for the winning. It just this is not for the winning. I think this is just like your interest, isn't it? So I think it started by what time today? 9 o'clock in the morning, 9:30, and it's finished around about 1 o'clock, isn't it?
Yeah, I think there was people still running.
Wow. I still saw some people still coming back from there, isn't it? So I think the thing happened along the Nottingham Forest, isn't it? Is it?
Yeah, near the embankment.
Yeah. All right.
Not far.
Okay. And also, you're having a beer after the marathon.
Yes,
It doesn't make no sense, innit? After you've done all this, on top of it, you're having a drink on top of it. It's like somebody going for gym. After you finish, you just go for kebab. You finish from the gym, you say, let me just get myself a kebab as well. All right, enjoy yourself.
Enjoy your day.
All right, thank you. Wow, the sun is hot, man. The weather. I'm just speaking to them. They've already been to Nottingham Marathon as well. You know, they've been to Nottingham Marathon, and also, if you look around the place, quite inside here, it's really, really beautiful. I love what is going on today. I don't even know why the weather decided to really change today. It's quite good. You know, guys, please like the video and also subscribe to the channel. It's very, very important. I am speaking to the couples on my back. One of them also was in the Nottingham Marathon, so he was telling me the stories about it's not Nottingham Marathon, it's called Robin Hood Marathon, which is what really happened today. That is why a lot of people came in trying to spend their time inside the city center here. That is why Nottingham today, it was quite a little bit busy, unusual, you know, the way it used to be. But I'm not gonna spend time on this video. Why I'm not gonna spend the time on the video is that I rather prefer doing a little bit short video where you guys can be able to see me probably on the video. With that, it will be quite much better. But later, it's warm. I'm telling the truth. It's really, really warm. I just want to see if I can look a little bit better on the picture of the video to end the video. You know, guys, please like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Wow. Wow, just look at this place. People are more coming in, you know. More people are coming in. You know? More people are coming in. More people are coming in. I can't even believe it. More people are coming in. Thank you, guys. Thank you.